Hey guys, this is Jay. Before getting started, download the project file, link in the description. Open your image inside Photoshop. Better choose a dark or night image for this effect. Now go to the folder you downloaded, double click and install the ghost brush. Now create a layer. Go to color picker and select white color. Here I'm going to select some kind of green tinted white color. Click OK. Now select the newly installed ghost brush. Now give a single click. Now I'm going to change the blending mode to soft light. Next, create a duplicate copy of this layer, Ctrl J. Now right click, go to blending option. Now by holding Alt key, move the underlying layer, slide a little bit, click OK, and your effect is ready. I'll repeat the step. Open your image, select white color, pick the newly installed brush, give a click, change the blending mode to soft light, create a duplicate copy, right click, blending option, by holding Alt key, move the underlying layer, click OK, and your effect is ready.